The wind is humming low through the pines where the soft flakes go, and the mountains wear their silver crowns tonight.
But here inside we float, where the lamplights golden glow, and the fire paints the walls in amber light.
Daddy's got his arms around Mama, kids are laughing in their winter pajamas. Oh, what a beautiful sight. 'Cause winter nights like these make the whole wide world feel small, when the snowdrifts kiss the trees and the hearth is warm for all.
Let the cold wind dance and tease, we've got everything we need.
On winter nights like these.
The kettle starts to sing, and the old clock's gentle ring marks the hours drifting soft like falling lace.
There's magic in the air, every breath a whispered prayer, as the frost draws little pictures on the pane.
'Cause winter nights like these turn the simple things divine,
Where the world slows down to peace and your hand is holding mine. Oh, the storm can roar and freeze, we'll be cozy as we please. On winter nights like these. Let the wind blow wild across the valley, let the hills be dressed in white. We got love enough to